Students, we are studying magnetic elements of Earth's magnetic field. The second magnetic element is magnetic dip or magnetic inclination. Magnetic dip or magnetic inclination at a place is defined as angle which the direction of total strength of Earth magnetic field makes with horizontal line in a magnetic meridian. For example, let this is a magnetic meridian and R represents the direction of total strength of Earth magnetic field. Therefore, the angle which the direction of total strength of Earth magnetic field makes with horizontal line, that angle represents the magnetic dip or magnetic inclination. This is represented by del. Therefore, magnetic dip or magnetic inclination at a place, it is the angle by which total intensity of Earth magnetic field dips or comes out of horizontal plane. It is the angle by which total intensity of Earth magnetic field dips or comes out of horizontal plane. The value of magnetic dip at a place can be measured by instrument called dip circle. The essential parts of dip circle are shown in this figure. It consists of a magnetic needle NS, which is pivoted on a horizontal axle at the center of circular vertical scale V. This circular vertical scale V is marked 0 degree in horizontal direction and 90 degree in vertical direction. The ends of the magnetic needle are free to rotate over this vertical scale. This magnetic needle NS and vertical scale V, they are enclosed in a rectangular box B with glass windows. This rectangular box B is mounted on a vertical pillar P on a horizontal base HB. This horizontal base is provided with leveling screws L and L dash. A circular scale C from 0 to 360 degree, a circular scale C from 0 to 360 degree is engraved on the horizontal base. Now reading of this box on this horizontal base or reading of this rectangular box on the circular scale can be read with the help of vernier scale V dash, which can slide over the circular scale C. Now we will study how to use dip circle. First, adjust the leveling screws L and L dash till base become horizontal and scale V inside the box B become vertical. Now in this position, adjust the leveling screws L and L dash till the base become horizontal and scale V inside the box become vertical. Now we know that this box B can be rotated over the horizontal base. Rotate the box B till the ends of the magnetic needle NS read 90 degree on the vertical scale V. Obviously in this position the magnetic needle is aligned along vertical component of Earth magnetic field. The horizontal component of Earth magnetic field being perpendicular to this plane does not affect the needle. Now the reading of the box B on the circular scale C is noted in this position. The position of the box B on circular scale C is noted with the help of vernier scale V dash. Next, rotate the vertical box B exactly through 90 degree. Now in that position the circular scale V, this lies in magnetic meridian and the total intensity of Earth magnetic field R or total strength of Earth magnetic field R is also in magnetic meridian. Therefore magnetic needle will rest along R, that is the magnetic needle will rest along the total intensity of Earth magnetic field. Therefore reading of the ends of the magnetic needle with the horizontal line, this gives us the value of angle of dip or value of magnetic dip or magnetic inclination. Now, at different places on the surface of Earth, the angle of dip is different. At poles, the magnetic needle stands vertical, that is, angle of dip is 90 degree. At a place in northern hemisphere where south pole of Fixius bar magnet lies, the north pole of in the northern hemisphere where south pole of Fixius bar magnet lies, north pole of this magnetic needle dips down. Therefore, angle of dip is between 0 to 90 degree. At magnetic equator, this magnetic needle stands horizontal. Therefore, angle of dip is 0 degree. At all other places, the value of angle of dip is between 0 to 90 degree. At Delhi, the value of angle of dip is 42 degree below horizontal. This is how we can calculate or we can note the magnetic dip or magnetic inclination.